Hey there, I'm Kashish. Welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting opportunity: how to make money online using Canva AI. I'll walk you through a step by step guide to creating stunning designs with Canva's AI tools that you can sell as digital products, templates, or even use to build your brand. So, whether you're looking to start a side hustle or explore a creative business idea, this video has got you covered. So, let's get started. To begin, head over to Google or any other web browser of your choice and go on the search bar and then type in Canva. You'll find the link to this tool in the description box below. Or you can click on this website and you'll land on a screen like this. Now you can log in or sign up and then click on create a new design. Such a box will pop up and you can see how many different kind of template options which Canva offers. But for the purpose of this video, we need poster. So click on poster and a blank canvas will appear. Now on the left bar, you can find the option of apps. So click on it and then when you scroll a little bit further down after it gets loaded, you will be able to find the option of Magic Media. So click on it, it will look something like this, and once you're on it, you will see a box like this. Whatever you want to draw, just type in a prompt related to that. I'm gonna put the simple prompt of seahorse. And then for the styles, we don't want a style like this. We want a graphic design for our work. So simply click on graphics on top and you'll get a seahorse in the form of graphics. Now go to styles and you'll need to select monoline. So tap or click on it and it will give you a seahorse in monoline style. So click on generate graphics and Canva is ready to work on your graphics. After a little bit of loading, it's going to generate 4 graphics for you. And you can select from any of those images which you like the most. Here, I like the right top one a lot. So I can click on it and ask Canva to generate more images like that. Now, once Canva generates 3 more images which are similar, I can select whichever one I like. But I still like that one the most, so I'll click on it and it will appear on my canvas. Then position it however you like by clicking on the purple dots around. Then once you're happy with the positioning, you can start working on the dot to dot. So duplicate the layer by right clicking on it and selecting duplicate. Then place it exactly on top of it. The next step is to click on draw and select any marker which fits the best for you and then make the color white. Here on the top, the first 2 are markers, the third is a highlighter and the last one is an eraser. So you take a marker, make it white in color and erase, like paint on the parts which you want to change into the dot to dot. This will take some time, so work peacefully and make your way all the way till the end. If you feel like your brush is really small for the job which you are doing, then you can always switch it to a darker marker which is huge enough to erase the line in one go. So let me just select another marker and I'll show you how to do that. So go on to the left bar and you'll find the second marker. Change the color to white and get back to erasing. See how quicker it got now, and it's so much more efficient. And that is why it's important to pick the marker which is perfect for your needs. So once you're done with the whole erasing part, you are ready to move on to the next step. So I'll just do this. Now after you are done with the white paint on the entire thing, go back to your canvas and then select the seahorse. Right click on it and you will be able to see 3 dots. Then click on layer and go to show layers. Now bring the layer of the seahorse which we first made the transparency all the way to 0 and bring that all the way up to the top. Also reduce the transparency of the one which was kept at full transparency and bring it a little low. Now once you have that layer on top, you can increase its transparency a little bit so you can see it. Then go to elements and in shapes, search for a circle or click on the circle, make the color into black and then make it tiny enough to look like a dot. Then use the cursor to position it where you want the dots, which is where you can see the less transparent layer. You need to add circles all along this borderline. This might be a little time consuming, so let's make it faster by putting on a time lapse. Once you're finally on the last dot, make sure it joins with the line so it's easier. Make sure you do the same with the starting dot as well. Then reduce the transparency and select the other seahorse. Go on to right click and go on to layers. Then click on show layers and then scroll down and select the seahorse. Increase its transparency to 100 and you have your masterpiece ready. But hold on, you need to add the numbers. So go on to text, click on add a subheading and then just select any font of your choice. Here I'm going ahead with Arial because that is really legible. So I select the whole thing and click on Arial by searching for Arial in the search bar in the font section. Then click the one you like and type in the number 1. You can edit this to whatever size you like. I think something as little as 30 should work or something around that line. And then position your numbers near the dots. You need to position each number near all the dots which you have made. Make sure it's visible. You can make further edits like changing the font size and all of those. Now I think 1 to look too huge, so let me just reduce the font size a little more. I can do that by clicking on it and going on the minus sign on top over here, as you can see. Now duplicate the same and do it for all the dots. So you duplicate it, change the number to 2 by copying it and cutting it to 2. Then position it close enough to the second dot, but not on it so it's visible. Similarly, duplicate it and do the same for all the rest of the dots, just like this. Now, after you're done with this, look, you're ready with your artwork. But if you want, you can make margins. So to do that, go to elements on the left bar and select a rectangle. Then make the margins as you like. Make the shape of the rectangle to make the margins and then duplicate it to make the margin at the bottom of our page. Don't keep it too thick. It looks prettier if it's narrower. Do the same for both of the sides as well, just like this. So you drag it on all the way to the left, pull it down to the bottom and then duplicate it by doing Ctrl-D on your keyboard and make it shift to the right side to form the right margin. Again, making it thinner. Now our next step is to select all our elements except the margins and click on group. Now that everything is grouped together, you can move it around on the canvas together. To add a title to this image, you can go on to title text on the left bar, click on add a heading and write whatever you want. And then make sure you place it in the exact middle of the page to make it look better. So Canva will help you position it, and once you're done with it, you're ready with your page. So let us see how we can download it. To do that, click on Share on the top right corner of your screen, and then click on Download, which looks like an arrow like this. Now make the file type PDF print because you want to print it out and sell it. For the color profile, make sure it's RGB, and then click on Download, and your image will be downloaded on your device. It will look something like this as a frame. How pretty is that, right? You can make multiple of these and even form it into a dot-to-dot book. Sell it online and earn a lot of money using Canva by making a lot of sales of that dot-to-dot book. That is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such educational and insightful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.